My name is Cody Hosterman, and I'm the Technical Director here at Pure Storage for VMware Solutions. Today, I'm going to show you how to assign a VVol VM Storage Policy with vRealize Orchestrator. So here, I have a virtual machine. It's currently sitting on VMFS. It has two virtual disks, one 40 gigs, one 200. So let's run my workflow. So first, I'm going to choose that virtual machine. I can go into my inventory and choose that VM. And there it is. So select that. And then now I can choose to assign to my entire VM, just the home directory, individual virtual disk, whatever. But I'll do the whole VM. Now I'll choose a storage policy. That'll show me all my FlashArray storage policies. Then I'll choose a data store, and that's going to actually return any data store that's compatible with that policy. And then choose my consistency group, aka replication group. And that shows the ones that are compatible with that data store and that policy. So we'll kick it off. First thing is this workflow needs to move the VM. Because this VM's on a VMFS data store, it can't assign the policy. So the first thing it's going to do, it's going to move the virtual disks and that VM from VMFS onto vVols via storage vMotion. Right? And so this is going to create the vVols, the volume group on the FlashArray, and copy all the data over, and then do that final switch over. If you go to the array and give it a refresh here, we'll see that my volume group, that is my VM, has been created. And so it has its various vVols. Right? It's my data vVols, config vVols. The relocation's already done. And so once it's done monitoring that storage vMotion task, which I think it pauses every 10 seconds or so, it's going to go ahead and assign the storage policies to the config vVol and the data vVols, and of course the replication group, because I chose one that has a replication group. As you can see, the reconfigure task is completed, and it's now on the vVol data store. Right? If we look at our FlashArray virtual volume objects, we can see, yeah, my virtual disks are now vVols as well. If I look at my configure tab and policy, we'll see that that policy has been assigned to the home and the data vVols, the virtual disks. And of course, it's been assigned, and my replication group has been assigned and configured for all of the objects of my VM. If we jump over to my array and look at one of my data vVols, we can see, yep, it's certainly in that protection group, that replication group, and so is everything else. So they'll be snapshotted and replicated.